Hello everyone. Share with you a little problem I had. My taillight's all messed up. Don't worry about that. But my bulb wasn't coming on. Turn the power on. It wasn't running. It would turn on when I step on my brakes. Come to find out, a little stupid filament inside was busted. So after doing some digging today on the interwebs, it's old 1157. Cheapy fix. I'm sure you can put a LED or whatever the heck you want on there, but if you just get the stock bulb, all it is a little cheapy 1157. Boop. Pop it on in there and you're good to go. It is a pain in the butt to get this thing off. See if you can see it's this little hole right here. You stick a Phillips flathead screwdriver in that little hole. So what I did, I had one flathead in there, and then I had another one in here kind of wiggling and wobbling to pop it out. Then once you pop it out, you're good to go. Oh, by the way, this is a 07 Vrscaw. I'm sure this taillight's on a bunch of models though, so hope this comes in handy.